Today we're going to whip up a delicious and crispy potato recipe using just 2 potatoes. Trust me, it's a recipe you'll want to try. Let's start with our main ingredient, potatoes. Now, I'm not talking about those fluffy, soft potatoes you usually find in the supermarket. No, we're going for the crispy, crunchy kind. You'll need 2 potatoes, and I'm not just talking about any 2 potatoes. They need to be small, about the size of your palm. Don't worry if they're not perfectly round, that's part of their charm. Next, you'll need salt. But not just any salt. You need to find the saltiest salt you can get your hands on. It's going to make all the difference in this recipe. Now, let's get cooking. Start by washing your potatoes. Then, cut them in half lengthwise and slice them into thin, even slices. You want them to be about the thickness of a quarter. Next, pour some salt into a bowl and mix it with your potato slices. Make sure every slice is coated in salt. Then let them sit for about 30 minutes. This will help draw out some of the moisture, making them even crispier. After 30 minutes, give your potatoes a good rinse. This will remove any excess salt, leaving them perfectly seasoned. Now it's time to fry them up. Heat some oil in a pan, and once it's hot, add your potatoes. Cook them on high heat for about 3 minutes, flipping them halfway through. This will give them that perfect golden brown color and make them extra crispy. And there you have it, folks. A delicious crispy potato recipe using just 2 potatoes, salt, and some oil. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tasty recipes and cooking tips. Happy cooking!